my channel. My name is Rose, and this is Rose J Creates, and I'm really excited because now I can offer membership on my channel. Yay! So I know that was corny, but anyways, I have been waiting for this for a while now, and I actually got it a couple of weeks ago, but I couldn't kind of decide as far as the different levels and what I wanted to do with my channel. And, I came up with different names for the different levels, and I chose 4 different levels. You can choose up to, I think, 5 levels. But I have 4 levels, and they're all sort of tied in with my name and everything, flowers and everything. So it's a little corny, but, I'm really excited to be able to offer this to you guys. So my first level is the baby breaths level, and that's the $4.99 level. You guys know baby breath flowers. They're very beautiful and adorable. I have a frog in my throat. I've been drinking my lemon water. Anyways, so the baby breaths level is my lowest level, and that's my $4.99 level. And with that level, you'll get a shout out. If I do any lives, I'll be able to drop your link. If I'm doing a video, I'll post your link on my channel in the description or in the actual video, and that's the $4.99 level. The next level is my DAISEY level, and that's the $9.99 level. And with this level, you'll get access to early videos. Whenever I release a video, I'll upload it to you guys, maybe a day ahead of time, so you guys can kind of get a sneak peek into the video. You'll also get a shout out, same as with the baby breath level. I'll drop your link if I do a live. If I'm doing a video, your link will be dropped in my description. And then you'll also get discounts. You'll with that level, that's $9.99, and I'm offering a 10% off discount, a monthly discount for 10% off. And again, that's the DAISEY level, and that's $9.99. The previous level was the baby breath level for $4.99. And with that level, also, you are entered into a monthly drawing. I went and purchased this wheel, and I'm choosing 8 members. I'm going to put their name on the wheel, and then they'll get a chance to win, prizes and stuff. With that level, the $9.99 level, I may offer my resin bookmarks. They're very colorful. I have a bunch of them. And so with this level, the $9.99 level, I'll do a monthly drawing for my resin bookmarks. Isn't these pretty? These are gorgeous. I have a bunch of these colors. And so that's with the $9.99 level. So you'll get a shout out on my video, or if I'm doing a live, I'll drop your link. You'll get early access just the same as the baby breaths $4.99 level and the 10% off discount. And then you're entered in monthly drawings. We'll do a drawing, put 8 names on the wheel, and you'll get a chance to win your own personalized resin bookmark. Sorry about that, guys. Drinking my lemon water. So the third level is my TULIP level, and that's the $19.99 level. And just like the baby breath level and the DAISEY level, you'll get shout outs in my videos. If I do a live, you'll get your link dropped. Early access, and you'll still get discounts, but that discount goes up. It goes up to 25% off. You'll get exclusive gifts, and then that one, your name will be, I'll choose 8 names. I'm sorry, 4 names. Apologize about that. I got a frog in my throat. I'm going to choose 4 names to be put in a raffle drawing, and you have a chance to win some keychains. A lot of my monogram keychains. Isn't that pretty? It's chunky. This is gold leaf. Gorgeous. And your name is put into a monthly drawing for my keychains. Isn't this gorgeous? These are made with dried flowers. And this is with the $19.99 level. This is the third level, the TULIP level. So you get shout out, early access to the videos. You'll be put in a monthly raffle drawing, and you have a chance to win some really exciting custom-made resin keychains. And then the winner also gets 25% off on any merchandise that I upload or sell on my Etsy channel. Okay, so that's the third level. My fourth level, My fourth level is my ORCHID level, and that's the $49.99 level. And just like the previous 3 levels, you'll get a shout out on my video. If I do it live, I'll drop the link. You'll get early access to videos. You'll get discounts on merchandise, and that's 25% off as well. And you'll be entered into a raffle draw, and only one winner is for that. And just like with the baby breaths level, you know, they have a chance to enter for a drawing to get a custom bookmark. With the Daisy level, you have a chance to enter and win. Isn't that gorgeous? Made with dried flowers. Keychains. And then with this level, you have a chance to enter a drawing to get a 4-piece coaster set. So one winner will be chosen for that one. That winner will get a customized resin coaster, 4-piece coaster. Kind of hard to see. Let me put this down. I have a frog on my throat. I shouldn't have ate a piece of candy before I did this video. And these are custom coasters. And I'll, you know, choose which designs that I want to raffle off. You'll get a chance, one winner will get a chance to win a 4-piece coaster. And then you'll also automatically, that winner will automatically get a keychain. And the winner will automatically get a bookmark. And that's the $49.99 level. Here's some more coasters. Isn't these pretty? This is flower coaster. It's my white flower with gold leaf in the middle, gold leaf diamonds in the middle. It's kind of hard to see it. So that's the $49.99 level. And again, that's 25% off on merchandise on my Etsy channel. I'm still building that channel. And so my last level is my peach rose level. And that's the big one. That's the $99.99 level. And you will get everything that the other levels got. You'll get a shout out in my videos, or if I go live. You'll get early access to new videos. You'll get discounted merchandise. You'll get 50% off on discounted merchandise. You'll get a chance to spin the wheel. I'll put 8 names up there. One winner will be chosen. And then with this level, the $99.99 level, my peach rose level, you have a chance to win a customized resin tray. You can put fruit in this. Isn't this gorgeous? You can put fruit in this, decorative balls. You can either, a chance to either win this resin tray or a vase. I haven't decided, but just to kind of give you an idea. This is one of the trays I've made. And I will customize the color. You can kind of choose whatever colors you want. Hopefully, I have the color. But you have a chance to win a customized tray or vase. That one winner will automatically get the 4-piece coasters that the $49.99 level got, the TULIP level. That winner will also get a customized keychain. You automatically get these. These are the things you automatically get. And then you automatically get a bookmark. So let me go over the levels again. I wrote everything down so I can kind of remember it. So first level is the baby breaths level for $4.99. You get a shout out in my videos or if I go live. And you also get early access to the video. The second level is the Daisy level, and that's the $9.99. You'll get shout out in the video. You'll get early access to videos, and you'll also get a 10% off monthly discount. And then also your name is entered into a raffle drawing. 8 names are entered into a raffle drawing for a chance to win the bookmarks. Okay. The third level is the TULIP level. That's the $19.99 level. You'll get shout outs, early access. You'll get a 25% off discount, exclusive gifts. Your name will be entered into a raffle drawing for keychain. And that winner, it's 4 winners for that. Those 4 winners will get the sorry, my camera's messing up. The keychain. You have a chance to win the keychain. That's the $19.99. The $49.99 is the Orchid level, and that's the shout out, the early access. You'll get 25% off discount as well, just like the Tulip level. But you have a chance to enter for a chance to win a 4-piece coaster. And with this level, the winner gets the 4-piece coaster, also a customized resin keychain, and a customized resin bookmark. And then my last level, which is my Peach Rose level, that's my 5th level. Just like the other ones, you get shout outs on my videos or on my lives, get early access to new videos, discounted merchandise, which is 50% off. You'll get a chance to have your name. I'll put 8 names on the wheel. One winner will be chosen for that. And you'll have a chance to win one of my custom resin trays. Isn't that gorgeous? This is beautiful. Either a resin tray or a vase. I'll let you choose. Isn't that beautiful? That winner gets that. The winner also gets the 4-piece coaster set. Isn't that gorgeous with the little diamonds in the middle? You'll also get a keychain. These are gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? And you'll also get the bookmark. So each level has something new and exciting, and I am really, really excited to be able to offer this to you guys. So I look forward to my subscribers, hopefully, wanting to become a member and just kind of making us grow as a community. And I'm really, really excited about this. It's taken me a minute to kind of figure out, what I wanted to add to the channel. And then also you get special badges and special emojis. Fixing my hair. So I'm just really, really excited to be able to offer this to you guys. So I look forward to you guys, my subscribers, becoming members, and hopefully we will be able to do these raffle drawings, because I'm looking forward to spinning this wheel and putting names on there so you guys can get all this goody stuff. So thank you guys for tuning in to Rose Day Creates. If you are not a member, please become a member. Hit that red notification bell, comment, like, and just show some love. Thank you. All right, bye.